because it's not natural, it's an unnatural disaster, and State Farm need to be shut the down. Get them people their money back. They done paid in for year after year for fire home protection, and then you're gonna cancel the goddamn policy right before the fire hit. Get them motherfuckers their goddamn money, or face the consequences. It's time right to bear arms. Right to bear arms. We'll be right back after this commercial break.
He's a desperate resident. Yeah, he just ran up to me right after we were on a few minutes ago. He said, please, please, please help me. Chris, tell us what's going on.
Hi, I was told that my house burnt down. I drove up, I needed to see it. I wanted to get some clothes for my son. The entire neighborhood is burnt down, but somehow my house does not even have a scratch. There's no fire damage. I went in, but the house next to mine is still on fire. So I'm going around begging anybody to come put out that fire to protect my home.
Because there's no water.
There's no water pressure. I tried to turn on the water myself. I would have tried to put it out, but I have no water pressure, so I have no way of putting it out.
So you and your wife are just trying to go get bottled water?
Yeah, so my wife went to get bottled water. I'm going to meet her down the hill, and we're just going to try and throw bottled water on it, but I don't know if that's going to work.
You need a lot more than that. And so the firefighters said that you're basically not on the list right now?
They said they had a list of places to go. They're spread thin. I understand. I really understand.
Yeah, I know, but so you're just begging somebody, if anybody's got water and can help, you're about a mile down the road from here. Tell us your address. I'm
at 615 East Los Flores Drive, Altadena, California, 91001. I'm begging.
This young brother is he's proof that God takes care of babies and fools. Because his house is not burnt down. Because God didn't want him to embarrass himself out there with a bottle of water, him and his wife. The power of Christ repels you. The power of Christ repels you. And that plastic would have burnt up in his hand, and him and his wife would have caught on fire. And it had just been ugly. So God does take care of babies and fools. We'll be right back. And like a good neighbor, State Farm wasn't there. You ain't no good neighbors. Y'all the worst neighbors you could ever have. Just gonna let house burn down. You State Farm. Sons of